Hi everyone, it's Carrie and welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to do something that I've never done before. We are going on a road trip to Utah, USA. When we go to the States, we always like to eat things that are unique to the area. So there's going to be some US restaurants we're going to try to hit, and then there's other ones that are truly specific to Utah. So come along for the ride, check out some of these restaurants and see if there's something that you would like to try as well. So let's begin with ChickfilA. It is one of the largest American fast food restaurant chains and the largest specializing in chicken sandwiches. So I chose to eat the ChickfilA chicken and strips. And in that order, you have a few pieces of chicken strips. You also get your waffle cut fries and, of course, the sauce. My daughter went with the number one, which is the original chicken sandwich with 2 pickles on a toasted butter bun. It was delicious. Every bit of it. Loved Chick-fil-A. The next restaurant that we ate at was MoBettas Hawaiian style food. It's a Hawaiian style restaurant serving up aloha since 2008.
Can I get a regular, please?
Yeah, you want the mac salad and the white rice?
The salads and white rice. Yep.
The mac salad or the side salad?
Side salad. Yep.
You said a regular, right?
I did. Yep.
They specialize in only authentic Hawaiian style foods that you would have on the islands.
What meat's on this plate for you?
Pardon?
What meat's on it for you?
Can I get the teriyaki chicken and the pig?
The teriyaki chicken.
Yep.
So for this meal, my daughter and I shared a plate, and we had the teriyaki chicken and the kalua pig, with also some rice underneath. And as you can see, you serve it as you go. You make your order choices as you go along, and you pick and choose what it is you'd like to eat.
So the chicken's going to be about 10 minutes.
That's
Just
fine.
turn your glass. Is that okay?
Between the 2 choices of meat, I have to admit I loved the teriyaki chicken. There was so much food. We actually didn't finish it all, and this was shared between us 2 girls. And the other neat thing is they actually had mellow yellow. Love that pop. Cannot get it in Canada, so it's a special treat when you can get it at a restaurant. Next was Cafe Rio, or Cafe Rio Mexican Grill. It's an American fast casual restaurant chain based in Salt Lake City with branches in Arizona, California, Colorado, Idaho, Maryland, Montana, Nevada, Utah, Virginia, Washington, and Wyoming. The company specializes in Mexican cuisine. So at this restaurant, I actually forgot to take a picture of our food, which is hilarious because I ate it so fast. What I did have was the sweet pork salad. You dive into this life-changing bowl of delicious. It's a fresh, hot off the tortilla, black beans, cilantro, lime, rice, and sweet pork, all nestled in a bowl of freshly chopped romaine, pico de gallo, guacamole, topped with their creamy dressing of cilantro lime vinaigrette. Anyways, delicious, love it. The next treat was eating at the Happy Sumo restaurant sushi bar. This was created in 1999 from the desire to give Utahns a sushi experience they had never experienced before. And it was delicious. The meals were to die for. I have never had sushi this good. It is worth the trip to Utah to go eat at the Happy Sumo. I couldn't decide, so I got 2 dishes, the samurai roll and the Fuji chicken. Both were delicious. I just loved it. And of course, there's the Sonic Drive-In, where you go and get your cherry limeade with the awesome Sonic pellet ice. It is someplace when it's a hot day is the perfect place to stop and grab a quick bite to eat. True American drive-in style. Do you have Dairy Queen cupcakes?
Dairy Queen cupcakes?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we get one of those, please?
Okay.
And then 3 Star Kisses.
Red, white, and blue or cherry?
Red, white, and blue, please.
You said 3 of them?
Yes, please.
And then a cupcake. Let me find them on here. Just one cupcake?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
Nope, that's everything.
10 even.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So we have a quick question for you.
Yes.
My daughter works in Dairy Queen in Canada.
Mm-hmm.
What's a Snicker Blizzard have in it?
So it has Snickers, like chopped up Snickers,
Yeah.
and then chocolate sauce.
Okay, just the chocolate sauce.
Yeah.
Okay. True, you have a Dairy Queen in Canada, but you cannot get Dairy Queen cupcakes, nor can you get these awesome Star Kisses in Canada Dairy Queen. We also came to find out that with your cupcakes, you have to order a 6-pack. You cannot order individual ones. And with only 3 of us, we could not eat that much ice cream in a sitting. So next time you need to bring more friends so we can enjoy those cupcakes. But in the meantime, we're going to eat these Star Kisses. Thanks for watching this week. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post new content once a week on Wednesdays, and I would love to have you as a viewer. If you enjoyed these unique Utah restaurants, there is a recipe that I'm sure you're going to love, and it is called Hawaiian haystacks. I'm going to post the video, and you can click on that to check out that recipe. I'm sure your family is going to enjoy it. Thanks for joining me this week, and I'll catch you next week.